Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Volvo XC60 vs Tesla Model Y crash test full comparison. Please watch closely and note the key safety differences between vehicles so you can judge priorities for your next purchase. I'll walk through crash results, explain what each score means for real-world safety, and highlight where each car excels or needs improvement using clear, simple language you can use when shopping or comparing specs. We now look at the active and passive safety systems and how they behave in a crash. I'll explain how airbags, seat belts, crumple zones, and automatic emergency braking complement each other to protect occupants. Pay attention to how design choices affect injury risk and post-crash scenarios, and I'll point out which features are most valuable for everyday driving and long-term safety maintenance without overwhelming technical jargon. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more safety comparisons and reviews. Quick recommendation: Droplets stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle as a practical companion on test drives and long commutes. I mention it because small comforts matter when evaluating daily drivers and road trip readiness. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Next, we compare the actual crash scores and what they reveal about survivability and injury prevention. I'll translate each category into practical advice so you understand head, chest, and limb risk in common crash types. Expect clear comparisons of structural performance, restraint effectiveness, and post-crash hazards, with tips on what to inspect when buying used or evaluating safety packages, helping you choose based on protection priorities rather than marketing claims.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.